Well, so I don't know what time it is, about 8 o'clock or something, September the 20th, 2024. I got my light on in my tent, and it's starting to get chilly. I think I'm going to have to wear a toque in my gloves tonight because it's going down to 1 degree, they said. I got the fire going, and the sun is setting. But, my God, I just ran into a problem. I tried to upload a video using data on YouTube, and I couldn't delete it. It said it would take 2 hours. That would cost me money for data. 2 hours to upload one video on data? Well, Wi-Fi is obviously better. So, I finally figured out how to delete it after about 15 minutes. Jeez. And I used to be a computer operator and went to DeVry and studied computers, and I knew everything about computers back in the 80s and 90s. Now I don't understand even how to stop an upload on YouTube. But, so, yeah. So I got a couple of, what do I got here? I don't know, smoky or something. I'm going to have that before I go to bed. I had my omeprazole, so I should be okay. Yeah. My mom's dad's axe. Boy, I sharpened it before I left today. It came in handy. Well, I don't have much wood. And they don't have wood here. They have no water here. No wood, no water. They closed down the resort. Things change in 5 years. Yeah, they shut it up. It's closed up. Yeah, in 5 years other things can be closed too. C'est la vie. Oh well. At least we're all alive.